This is a simple block called Antique Tile, and it finishes 12 inches. Here's the block and the diagram. There are 2 sizes of squares and 1 size of rectangles. Here's what it looks like when you put 4 together. And here are the cutting instructions. Patch A is cut 4.5 inches by 2.5 inches to make a 2 by 4 inch finished rectangle. And you'll need 4 patches of each of the 3 fabrics, light, medium, and dark. Here's the AccuQuilt. If you have the 8-inch cube, this is shape 8. Patch B is cut 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches to make a 2-inch finished square. And you have 4 patches of the medium and the dark. And the AccuQuilt die is shape 2 from the 8-inch cube. Patch C is cut 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches to give you a 4-inch finished square. And you cut 1 patch of the dark fabric. And here is shape 1 from the 8-inch cube. Here is your strip piecing alternative. I've written out from the floral fabric, the strips you cut, the medium and the light fabric, and then the instructions for sewing them together and cutting them apart. And that's probably a little faster, especially if you're going to make multiple blocks. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. The rectangles are here, the small squares, and then the 1 large square for the center. I'm just going to lay this block out and then piece it together. Now what I'll do first is piece this row, but before I do that I'll need to piece these 2 together. Just flip them over and piece them, and then piece these 2 together and these 2. Then go to the next row and piece this across, and then do the final row the same way you did the top. Piece the small pieces together first, then piece the row together. Thank you for watching.